Question number 1, bit B. You just have to redraw the given sketch and show the dimensions in the correct. Here, the height of the question is not directly given, but it is indirectly mentioned. There are 3 sides of a hexagon given on the left, and the side length is 30 mm. If you remember the circle method to complete a hexagon, then this question can easily be solved. Starting with the first center line, taking a vertical projector here. If we use the circle method to draw the hexagon, the radius of the circle is equal to the given side. In our case, it's 30 mm. I have used semicircle because we have to draw only 3 sides. Now keeping the compass here without changing any radius, cutting an arc. This completes the 3 sides. From this end, you have to take 70 mm. At this location, you have the square hole. From here, again, you have to move 55 mm forward. Let's draw the semicircle first. Now, this square. The side of the square is given 20 mm and it is placed diagonally. In order to place it diagonally, draw 20 mm by 20 mm square separately. Now take half of this diagonal . The dimensions. This completes the solution.